Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? Are you okay? Okay, so today I quickly want to make breakfast for my family. So I'm making akara. Yes, akara and pap or custard, depending on what they want. So I've soaked up my beans. I just want to blend it now. Oh my. Let me add water. What are you doing, baby girl? That's in the work. Because he won't stay back. I even won't give her juice, because he don't want to come down. Okay, so I've had this for a long time. I've had this mixer for a long time. I've not even tried it. I just remembered now. So you can see. Let me just try it now to mix this akara. Let me wash the mixer. Okay, it's working. That's lovely. So, but I have to shift these things away from there because it's going to mess up my stuff. Look at this yummy goodness. See.